Hey guys, these exercise bands are easily my favorite addition to a workout. I love them. They're not like your usual bands. They are made out of cloth, yet they are still very stretchy. You have 3 different resistant types. You have heavy resistance, definitely gives you a nice workout. Medium resistance. I love these because they stay exactly where you want them to be and they don't ride up or they don't slide down. And light resistance. A little easier to use than the gray one. It's still a very good workout. And one of my favorite workouts is from Sydney Cummings on YouTube. I turn that on and I just go for it. On this side you have the grip and it's made out of like rubber so it doesn't slide down on the skin, especially when you're sweating. Usually I end up using this one most of the time, the medium resistance. Overall, definitely recommend these bands. I love them. I think that they're great for when you travel and you want to still get a workout in. They provide this nice little bag for you and they're just really good quality bands. They'll last you a very long time.